Here's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, AM/FM satellite radio, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.